An Amber Alert has been issued for a child abduction that occurred in Henderson, Texas, which is in Rusk County. Abducted child is identified as Glenn, 5-year-old white male, blue eyes, red or auburn hair, weighing 6 pounds, and standing at 2 feet 3 inches tall, wearing a blue shirt with black collar. The child was last seen at 700 Pine Street in Henderson, Texas at 9:04 a.m., and is believed to be in grave danger. The suspect is identified as Chucky, 28-year-old white male, blue eyes, red or auburn hair, weighing 16 pounds, and standing at 3 feet 1 inch tall, wearing blue denim overalls with multicolored striped long-sleeve shirt. Do not approach the suspect, as he is believed to be in possession of a huge kitchen knife. If you have any information regarding this Amber Alert, please call 987-654-3210.